Hey guys, are any of you experiencing similar issues with Microsoft Word? I have been running into some problems and wanted to see if it's just me. Let's figure it out together and get it fixed. So first, what you are gonna do is click on the start menu, then click on the setting option above. Once in the setting, here on the top, just click on the apps. Then scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2021. Click on it, then select Modify. A permission prompt will appear, just click Yes. You will see a new window with two options. For now, choose Quick Repair to resolve minor issues quickly. Once selected, click on the Repair button at the bottom. It will ask for confirmation again. Click Repair once more. The process may take a few minutes depending on your system and drivers. For now, let me just speed up the process. As you can see, my loading has been completed. After it's done, click on the close. Now, Microsoft Word should open without any errors. Let's just check it out. As you can see, I have successfully opened the Microsoft without any errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.